Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. My name is Tajdeed bin Murtuja. I'm a student of Mohsin Smart English Learning, but I also study at Mohammadpur Model School and College. So I'm going to read a few pages from my EFT book. So, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was arrested by the Pakistani army immediately after his declaration of independence at the first hour of 26 March 1971. He was taken to Pakistan as a captive and imprisoned there in a small cell for capital punishment until 7th January 1972. Even a grave was dug in front of his cell, but Mujib was fearless. He knew nothing would stop the Bengalis to gain independence. In fact, his name and independence became synonyms. So the whole world was awaiting breathlessly to witness his homecoming, and he had a grand homecoming indeed, narrated by eminent columnist and writer Said Badrul Ahsan. In the evening of 7th January 1972, Bangabandhu left Chaklala Airport in Rawalpindi, from where he would fly to London. 9 months earlier, he was brought to Pakistan as a prisoner with little hope to return, and now he was free to go home, Pakistan. As soon as the PIA aircraft took off, was finally behind him. Early in the morning on 8th January 1972, Bangabandhu arrived at Heathrow Airport. News of Bangabandhu's arrival in London spread quickly. Journalists, the general public, British officials and politicians and Bengali residents in the city made their way to Hotel Claridge's. News bulletins on the BBC and other media organizations made note of Bangabandhu's arrival in their headlines. By early afternoon, the father of nation had met with the British Prime Minister Edward Heath and leader of the opposition Harold Wilson.